I began trading in sorghum, millet, maize, those things, picking them from northern Uganda, making porridge, and I began getting clients. I would even take to Nachuogo, wherever. Esano. So it sustains me for almost 2 years. But I feel like my calling has been, I'm not yet there where I want to be. So after 2 years, of course, there's so very many financial challenges, relationship-wise. So I'm like, what do I do now? I take a humble pie and tell myself, you need to go back to employment, because now the capital you have, you cannot go where you want to go and bring a trail of sorghum and whatever. And bank loans were always my fear, because I had not had very good experiences with them. So I take a humble pie, I meet a lady. That was 2017. I meet a lady in a certain office where I had gone to look for business. And I asked her, are there any job opportunities? And so, this is what I can do. It's like, no, maybe I'll connect you to a friend of mine who would want a personal assistant. So she tries, and the money that she was offering could not even pay for my rent and transport. So I turn it down. So after a few weeks, she calls me. She's like, Judy, can you manage a restaurant? My reaction that day, I have what I call a lucky shot. I should have put it on today. I'm like, Madam Lillian, yes, I can. And I'm at that place where you're not very sure of the next meal. But it's so interesting that when I say these stories, even when my family sees them, they're like, but I didn't know you're going through a hard time. I'm like, you wouldn't have known. Because that pride in me would not let you know that I'm struggling that much. So I go and begin working for a restaurant in Bugolobi. I am not sure if you would like me to say the name, but I will tell it to you off camera.
You could go ahead. Why not?
It's called Teranga. Teranga restaurant in Bugolobi. It's on Bandari Ride.
It's still there up now?
It is still there. Wow. Very beautiful. Most of the skills I have here, I got from there.
Terang restaurant.
Terang restaurant in Bugolobi. So I work for Terang. I go in there as a salesperson. The first day I was there, I got a deal from an international school. I think it was about 13 million for them. So I sit in there. I'm like, I'm visualizing my dream. I want the plants, I want the food, I want the beauty. It is that beautiful a place. So I worked for her for almost 2 years. While there, remember, I want my fruits and food back somewhere. But also now I am stable in a good relationship, and my partner is like, we can't keep being worried of, Mommy, where is money for milk today? And I also don't want to be in this situation where if I've not left Sensei Sakameza because I don't have, it becomes a problem at home. So we agree that we need a business that is going to take care of our daily income, but also allow each one of us to flourish in their passion. And now we have already found out that for you, Judith, you love your food, you love your plants. For him, he is into tour and travel and all this. So we begin collecting saucepans. When I get some money, I buy some saucepans to keep it in a small house, some plates to keep in a small house.